this is the video you should watch before you even consider this thing called trading, because I want to share with you the 3 harsh truths of trading that not a lot of people might tell you. Let's talk about that today, coming up next. The first harsh truth: the odds are all against you. So imagine like you're trying to swim and then there are 10 people pulling you down. And for beginners, you might never even realize all these things or notice all these things because they are so insignificant that people be like, it's just a small thing, you know. The first thing that is against you, your stinking broker. I mean like market makers, okay? Not all brokers are bad, by the way. Market makers can see where most people put their stop loss. So they are going to see, okay, where are people putting their stop losses? And when there's an opportunity, they are going to pull the price down or up to the stop loss and stop everybody out. Everybody die except for them. And then they use that as an excuse. Oh, it's just because of the news. It's just because of earnings announcement, not because of me. Okay? Like during high impact news, they're going to do it, okay, without you realizing it. The next thing that's against you, the fees, commission, spread, slippages, withdrawal fees, and for some brokers, account maintenance fees, and for some other brokers, some weird other useless fees. So here's the thing, when you try to enter into, let's say for example, euro dollar 1.10000, okay? You enter a market order, but then you got filled at 1.12000, for example. You didn't get the price you want. So it's like you going to the supermarket, you want to buy an apple. You ask the seller, so how much is this apple? Oh, $1. And the moment you want to pay the cash, the seller be like, oh, I'm sorry, now it's $1.20. Yeah, I just suddenly want to raise the price. It doesn't make sense, right? You would call the seller a scam, you would call the police. But then in the financial markets, this is what is happening. You want to pay at this price, the broker offers you at this price, and you can't do anything about it. And most traders, they just let it go. Especially beginner traders, they don't realize like how much slippages they are paying for. Like you pay 20 cents here, 20 cents here. Like if you trade larger lot sizes, $1 here, $1 there, eventually it's gonna add up. It might even be more than the amount of spread you pay. So in order to prevent this from happening, you need to use limit orders or pending orders as much as possible. Even though pending orders might not guarantee that you'll be filled, but it does guarantee you a better price. Agree with me? But if you put in a market order all the time, you will get slipped. It's guaranteed that you'll be filled, but you won't get a good price. So another way you can reduce slippages is by using a Forex VPS, and one of the service providers you can check out is AccuWeb Hosting, and they provide all of these benefits. They serve more than 16 plus worldwide locations, and they also support all the popular trading platforms like MT4, MT5, and they have 24/7 technical support at a very affordable rate. And also when you trade during high impact events, the spread is gonna widen. Like that's why I don't scalp the news. Then if you're a stocks trader, there's commissions. Certain Forex brokers, withdrawal fees. I mean, if you earn a good profit from trading, okay, you earn a few thousand, then that withdrawal fee might not even be that significant. But if you trade a small account and your profit, let's say, is like $50, and then certain brokers, their withdrawal fee is like $20, for example, then half of your profit is gone the moment you withdraw it. That's why I don't recommend people starting with super small accounts like $50 account, like $10 account. Like let's say if you're a stocks trader, you open a trade, you pay the commission, you close the trade, you pay another commission again, you pay 2 times. By the time you pay the broker, again you are making the broker rich. The next thing that's against you, as if that's not enough, human nature. And it's human nature to want things now, so we would take profit fast. And it's human nature to not want to lose, so we wouldn't cut losses. Another motivational speaker said, real women, real men, don't have fear. We don't use stop loss. As if that's not enough, there's one more thing that's against you. Your conservative your conservative parents, relatives, husband, wife, dog. What are you doing every single day? Coming home watching Karen Fu. Why can't you just get a real job? Is it very hard? All you do every day is sit at home in front of your computer. Do you even bother spending time with me? Am I not important to you anymore? There are people who don't agree with what you're doing, and that's why a lot of people quit. And I can tell you that even when you become successful, there's still gonna be people who be like, say shit about you. I can guarantee you that. The second truth, okay? In order to overcome all those lists of barriers, you cannot be just good. You gotta be excellent. You gotta be above average. If you be like, learn a little bit here, little bit here, little bit here. Karen, I don't want to read the whole book. It's too thick. Just give me the summary. And don't recommend me like 10 books, too many. To succeed in trading, it takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of hard work, patience, discipline, perseverance. If you want to keep taking shortcuts like this, don't become a trader. Because you're doing nothing but emptying your wallet and making the broker rich. Then comes to the third truth. There's no secret formula in trading. Like there are certain strategies, systems that you can apply to increase your chances of becoming profitable, okay? But there's no like 100% win rate, 700% return a month. I've seen people do that, like promise that. The best strategy for you is a strategy that fits your trading personality. A lot of times you can just trade with a 45% win rate system, 50% win rate system, and you can make money in the long term. If you manage your risk properly, manage your trading psychology, manage your risk to reward ratio, you're good to go. You don't need to go around like finding courses to buy anymore. I know a lot of people, they are course junkies. Then they go around like buying different courses just to find the magic formula. There's a saying that success cannot be bought, it can only be earned. Like you gotta earn it. You put in the hard work, discipline, patience, work on what is important. Eventually you're gonna get there. Okay? Alright, with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.